Hello, my name is Lee, and today we are going to be opening this mysterious package. Inside is a limited edition copy of the Crowley and Waite Victorian Tarot. When I reach into the bag, I'll find this lovely vintage-looking box. The first thing that I notice is that it feels genuinely rustic, like something I'd find in an old trunk in my grandmother's attic. It's handmade, custom stained, and hand-printed with the Crowley and Waite logo. I also want to say that every one of these limited edition boxes is unique. Each has its own color, texture, and character. The box is stained with an elemental mixture of fire-blended vinegar, steel wool, and black tea. We actually have a lot of things to explore here. The first item is an illustrated cheat sheet of all the cards in the deck. We have one side for right reading and one for reversed. Next, we have a small black envelope. There are 3 carte de visite photographs. These were actually printed in a dark room. One is of Pamela Colman Smith as the Queen of Wands. This one is the 3 of Swords and the Devil, featuring Aleister Crowley and 2 of his Scarlet Women. Finally, what we've all been waiting for, we have the tarot deck. The first thing I notice is that these cards are incredibly smooth. This is exactly the high quality cardstock I would expect from a tarot deck. As you can see, the top card of the deck is an invitation to unlock the Crowley and Waite online book that explains each of the major and minor arcana. The key to the lock is on the reverse side of the card. The next card explains the Celtic cross layout. It was A.E. Waite's preferred spread for reading the cards in his own deck, the Rider Waite and Coleman Smith deck that was published in 1909. The reverse side explains Aleister Crowley's famous Thoth spread. Crowley made his own tarot deck in the early 1900s. The back of the card is beautiful. As you can see, the design is made so the top is lighter than the bottom. This is for people who would like to do only right reading cards. Here are some examples of the major arcana. It all starts with the Fool, and I have to say, I love the pictures on these cards. Really unique imagery. Moving on, we have the Magician and the High Priestess. This is by far my favorite tarot deck. And I think it could be yours.